Greetings, family, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dr. TM. I used to be an asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process, green cards based on asylum, and citizenship based on asylum are answered. Family, I have spent over 12 years navigating the immigration system here in the United States. First, I spent several years battling my asylum case to be approved. Then, I spent several years more to get a green card based on approved asylum. And finally, I spent several years more fighting to obtain United States citizenship based on an approved asylum. I want you to know that I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may face in your asylum journey here in the United States immigration system. The questions you have now are the same questions I used to have on my asylum journey. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand asylum-based immigration process experience to provide you with insights and guidance, sharing the knowledge I wish I had when I embarked on this transformative journey. Having received invaluable assistance from other people and lawyers, I am passionate about paying it forward by offering the support and information you need to navigate the asylum process successfully. I am here to provide useful and practical steps to help you with your case. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Please send me an email or drop your questions in the comments below. One of the most frustrating issues with traveling using a refugee travel document is what to do when airlines do not understand or know the refugee travel document. It happened to me several times during the 5 years that I traveled using a refugee travel document. People have asked me what I should do if an airline does not know about a refugee travel document. You can consider several options if an airline employee doesn't know or is not familiar with a refugee travel document. Before considering all those options, family, my first advice is that you should remain calm. Do not be agitated. A solution is always found. Secondly, when traveling with a refugee travel document, always budget extra time because you will always be sent to a secondary when you arrive in the US or told to wait while airline employees verify the refugee travel document. If an airline is not familiar with a refugee travel document, you can try the following. Educate them. Politely explain a refugee travel document and its validity for international travel. You can provide brief information about the document and its acceptance by various countries. Politeness will go a long way. Again, remember to remain calm as you educate airline employees. Sometimes, these employees are new to the job, so they would not have seen a refugee travel document before. Show extra documentation. Have all relevant documentation ready. This includes your refugee travel document, visa, if applicable, and any other supporting documents. Airlines often respond well to clear documentation. You can show them destination country websites or printouts that show that you are allowed to visit that country with a refugee travel document. Contact the airline in advance. Reach out to the airline's customer service in advance. This gives them time to verify the information and provide guidance. Some airlines may have specific procedures for handling refugee travel documents. This is one of the most effective options. You can even get a written confirmation from the airline, which shows that they accept refugee travel documents. Supervisors and managers. If the airline staff is still in SHU, request to speak to a supervisor or manager. They might have more experience or authority to make decisions in unique cases. This is also very effective. Supervisors usually know about the refugee travel document. Government resources. If the issue persists, you can contact relevant government agencies such as the Immigration Department or Refugee Services for guidance. They might be able to provide a letter or confirmation to assist you. The takeaway from this episode is that you should always remain calm and courteous when dealing with airline staff when using a refugee travel document. Misunderstandings can happen, and a patient and informative approach can often resolve the situation. Family, navigating the asylum process in America is very difficult and can be frustrating sometimes. In my whole life, some of the most difficult days of my life happened when I was navigating the asylum system. I lost everything while waiting for my case to be processed. So, believe me when I say that I understand how you feel. Disclaimer: family, remember that I only provide this information to help you. This is not legal advice. I recommend that you consult with a lawyer if you want legal advice for your asylum case, or green card based on an asylum case, or citizenship application case based on approved asylum. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I hope the insights shared in this video have enhanced your understanding of the asylum process here in the United States. Do you have questions about the asylum process? Do you have questions about green cards based on approved asylum? Do you have questions about the citizenship process based on asylum? Or have you recently received asylum and you have advice to share? I encourage you to email me or share your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, family. I wish you the best on your immigration journey. See you next time.